Alright, now that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm holding a Panasonic and I'm filming the screen there. Now we look like Channel 2 News. It's on the Canon M50. Finally.
Book upon a nightstand that I read before I sleep, wishing that the Sandman comes tonight before I count to 3.
Welcome back to the show. It's me, Jensen, on the Rocks Entertainment, and yeah, so finally I got a camera that this monitor works on, so I can see myself in a monitor. It's pretty cool. We're coming along. So today is the 24th of May. If you guys haven't seen yesterday's video on the 23rd, reflecting the 23rd, I went out, took a little bike ride, took you guys with me. So if you haven't seen the video, click back one video. It's probably a day behind, and I went and looked at some graduation photos. So that's what we did. So congratulations all the graduates of 2020, whether you're in college or in high school or whatever. I know it's been a weird year for you guys, but congratulations, and you know, the sky's the limit for what you guys want to do going forward. But today, just film some regular things. You know, we're still in a lockdown phase, so we really can't go crazy. So I'm gonna put together some little clips of what I've done to spend my spare time, some little RC action and whatever I can put on here. But as always, you guys, thanks for hitting the like button, subscribing, watching my videos, following me. This has been a pretty cool journey. A couple of videos I said that it's gonna be a year in June, and June is just right around the corner. So 1 year ago I started off with like one camera, and I think I have like 5 right now. On my Instagram, you probably see the photos of the cameras I have, and that's not counting all the other equipment that I have, as far as tripods and mounts and microphones and monitors, like you saw at the beginning of this thing. And it's going to increasingly get more and more as I can afford it and figure it out and put it together. But without further ado, you guys, let's go to what I've shot today, and I'll meet you guys back here for the closing.
Yeah. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. People wanna talk that talk, in reality you have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight, you ain't behind the scenes. Trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade to Gerald, but G's don't come easy. When you tryna eat, I producing and rapping. I read that contract you sent me to sign, but excuse me, I can't help myself, I'm just laughing. Hey, you tryna cut out a piece of my pie, and I asked you politely, what's it that you offer me? Yeah, I produce all my own beats, and I have no intention of losing my publisher. Yeah, independent individual, boy, I've been eating off passive residuals. Yeah, let's be professional. Thanks for your time, but I had to decline at that principle. I've been scheming up a plan, hey. I've been saving all I can, hey. You could call me David Ramsey. The way I handle these bands, hey. We ain't messing with the old model. New era, new kid, we full throttle. Just know that the come up is not a fluke. My amigos, they focus, know what to do. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. Stack and put it back in it.
Yo, look, I ain't saying that I'm rich, cause if I'm honest, I've never been. But when I look at all these other kids, I feel just a little bit ahead of them. You should know the business is competitive. There's a lot of people that I'm better than. Even veterans ain't got the knowledge I do. I've been reinvesting all I ever spent. Stop pretending like you poppin'. Who been out here making profit? Told my mama that I got this. I wonder if she noticed what my job is. I don't know how I'ma make it, but I know no matter what, I'm finna find a way. All my homies finna eat and I ain't letting no one on my team look at an empty plate. Yeah. Went from a boy to a man, ayy. Every day been making plans, ayy. They don't really understand, ayy. Gotta look out for the family.
reinvest, stacking, put it back in it. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest, stacking, put it.
All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed Bigfoot and all his RC glory. So I'm running this camera through its paces here, trying to test them out. It's the Canon M50, and I got the kit lens on there, the 15 by 45, but I do have the mounting ring for the EF to M conversion, so I can run Sigma lenses and go down the line to see which suits the best. I can put the nifty 50, I can put the 11 or 22 millimeter. This is the 15 by 45. 14 is my Panasonic Lumix. So let's shoot landscapes now, see how this comes out. So let's go. Okay, so it's taking a tour here. I'm on the South Shore again in Poipu. Currently we're at the Spotting Horn, and usually this little marketplace that I'm walking through here is where they sell souvenirs and stuff like that. It's pretty dated. They've not renovated too much, but you know, like keychains and lays. So some people have their signs up there. It's getting sunny again, hopefully Tuesday. Today is Sunday fun day. And I've been looking at the ocean, it's kind of calming down. So hopefully my next video soon, we can get out there and go look at some fish with my GoPro. Still not crowded out there, so it's a little bit easier to get out there without bumping into people. I just want to bump into fish, not people. So yeah, that's just their little boots and stuff. But so far I'm digging this. The M50 is pretty good. You see the sunlight got really bad, so I'm probably gonna turn this way. And we're gonna continue out to see the Spotting Horn. And usually there's a lot of people here, but you know, it's still closed. So we have it all to ourselves. Let me see if I can just show you guys some ocean shots here. So out on the rocks, which is appropriate for my channel because on the rocks entertainment, and I'm filming a bunch of rocks with water. And then I'll just slowly come around. This is a really good camera in my opinion. Really liking it so far. I kind of got confused at the beginning how to run this thing, but playing around with it, I'm really digging it. This has an autofocus on this one there, and we just missed the horn spouting. So let's get to the money shot. There's a sea turtle way down there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's in that area over there. There's a turtle. I just saw him. Let's see if we can see if this thing spouts here. So under the rocks, there's lava tubes, and when the tide comes in, it's like nature's pressure washer, and it just shoots the water up through there. Kind of like a system. There we go. Like a geyser. Then way off there, we got the small little Kukuyula boat harbor over there, where a lot of people are putting out their canoes today. And we go back down here where he's spotting again. Somebody threw a tire. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a tire down there. That's ridiculous. And then also somehow a bench got over there. Don't know how that got in there. I'll tell you a cool story about the Spotting Horn. They did expand the tube. They did dynamite a part of it to stop the compression, because back in the early days, the early 1900s, this thing used to shoot a lot further, and they had sugar plantations, Color Plantation, McBride, you name it. If I pan around back here where the botanical gardens and stuff is, they used to blow it so high that you would catch the wind and the salt water would end up on the sugar cane, which was not good. So they had to get dynamite and calm this guy down just a little bit. Let's see if we'll get him to put on a show again. So here comes the tide, and that's it right there. That's how it works. Nature's engineering. And then if you pan around this way, get these rocks in here, you're coming around to the Allerton side over there. But yeah, the ocean's nice. Ninja turtle disappeared. So yeah, there's that. All right, you guys, real quick, just comment below, which do you prefer, Apple or Android? Found a historic telephone here. Last time I seen somebody use this, exactly 1995. All right, that was that. So not much is going on. The weather's been pretty up and down. I think by Tuesday it should be a lot better weather. So hopefully I can get out there, do something cool. I still want to go and snorkel and catch some fish on the film for you guys, and that's something I'll be definitely doing going forward. But thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, leaving likes, all of that stuff. And I'm going to try to upload more frequently, you guys. Took a little break in between here and there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So just take it easy, stay positive. Remember, life is too short to stress out. Do what you want to do. There's always going to be hurdles to jump over, but you know what? The most important thing is just the way that you guys feel about yourselves, and just being cool with anything, you know. Remember, you can't beat anything.